Did you know that Germany is home to the largest lignite mine in Europe? Join me as we dive into the captivating world of brown coal in the NRW region of Germany. In this video, we will explore the negative impacts of lignite mining, its complex relationship with the water resources, and the ambitious plans for the future.
The Rhineland region has extensive lignite deposits. In the Rhinish mining area, lignite is mined at 3 locations, as we can see in the map, in the city triangle of Cologne, Aachen and Mönchengladbach. There are 3 coal mines, as can be seen in the map. We have the Garzweiler, Hambach and Inden, of which Garzweiler is the one that extracts the most coal, 30 million tons per year. Here we can see the location of the power plants in the area. Historically, coal was very important for energy production in Germany. The graphic shows that now coal makes up just 33% of energy production in the country.
The negative impacts of this activity are landscape destruction, air pollution, biodiversity loss, climate change, and economic impacts in the long term. But we are going to focus only on water resources impacts. The first impact is related to groundwater. The extraction of Rhinish lignite in open cast mines in NRW requires the lowering the water table, which can lead to conflicts with water supplies and negative impacts on surface water and wetlands.
The second impact that we are going to talk today is about the quality. The mines contain a lot of pyrite. When this is exposed to the air and the water, it's going to lead to the oxidation of the iron. The result is the formation of acid mine drainage. The acid mine drainage is a highly acidic and chemically toxic solution that contains dissolved heavy metals and elevated levels of sulfate. The third impact is about wells. The alteration of the landscape can disrupt natural drainage patterns and the flow of groundwater. As a result, the catchment areas from which production wells typically draw water may be altered or displaced. The brown coal affects many rivers such as RWE River, Spitz and Inden, but we will talk only about the river Erft, which is close to the Cologne area. The mining activities have altered the course and flow patterns of the river Erft due to the amount of water discharge, as well as impacting the water quality. Drastic temperature change due to the power plants can stress or harm fish and other organisms, leading to reduce the biodiversity and alter ecological dynamics. RWE was founded on April 25th in 1898. RWE's involvement in coal mining can be traced back to the early 90s, when the company started acquiring coal mines in the RWE area in Germany. 880 million cubic meters of groundwater are available every year. RWE is doing activities like recultivation for forests and agriculture. They treat the water and they use the water for endangered wetlands, for drinking water for the public supply, and cooling water for the power plants. Now we are going to talk about the Erftverband. It was founded on September 30th in 1905 due to the degradation of this river. What they are doing is to monitor the whole river and trying to improve the quality of this one. They have the branch to see the effects of the open cast mining, and what they want to do is to monitor the compliance with the goals of the lignite plan, with the groundwater, freshwater, wetlands and water supply. But what is going to happen with the brown coal in Germany? The focus in NRW is shifting towards renewable energy sources such as wind, solar and biomass, and do this by 2030. The idea is to achieve the development goals. like land rehabilitation, forest restoration. They are going to implement in the Gatsbaila, because this is a huge area, so they are going to implement some projects of renewable energy.
For these recreational spaces and water management, RWE intends to fill Hambach and Gatsbaila pits with rain water by 2030, as we can see in the image on the left. This requires expanding the pipeline system. It's gonna be 3 pipelines from Dommagen with a longer bundle pipeline and an extension to the mines, as the right image shows. Despite efforts to conduct mining in a responsible manner, the outcomes are not favorable, and the resulting impacts leave lasting consequences. There is still much work to be done even after the end of mining in 2030. This concludes the video, and I would like to express my appreciation for watching. I hope you have gained valuable insights into mining in RWE and feel motivated to continue learning. Special thanks to Erftverband for their invaluable support.